In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workspace in Trello. We'll walk through the path that leads to deletion, highlight the exact places you need to navigate, and cover the key prerequisite that often blocks people at the last moment. I'll also share a few practical tips so you can do this cleanly and confidently. Start from any board in the workspace you want to remove. Look to the very top left of your screen and click the Trello logo. This takes you out of the individual board view and back to your Trello home, where you can see your workspaces and quickly confirm you're in the right place. If you manage multiple workspaces, take a second here to make sure you're targeting the correct one. It's a good moment to confirm your admin role as well, since you'll need admin permissions to manage workspace settings and ultimately proceed toward deletion. Once you're viewing the workspace, open its settings. You'll find the settings option from the workspace area, typically in the left-hand sidebar or behind a menu near the workspace name. Settings is the hub for everything related to the workspace: members, visibility, boards, billing, and the administrative controls you'll need for cleanup and removal. If you don't see settings, you might not have the right permissions. In that case, an existing admin will need to grant you access. Inside settings, take a quick look around to verify you're in the correct workspace and to familiarize yourself with the tabs you'll use next. Before you can delete a workspace, Trello requires that any paid subscription tied to that workspace be cancelled first. Head to the billing tab within settings and cancel the active plan associated with the workspace. This step is essential. With an active subscription, the delete option will remain blocked. After cancelling, watch for confirmation that the plan is no longer active and make sure there are no outstanding charges. Keep in mind that cancelling a paid plan immediately removes premium features for that workspace, and refunds or proration depend on Trello's current policies. As a best practice, consider exporting any important board data and double-checking whether other teams still rely on those boards. If necessary, transfer ownership of boards you want to preserve to a different workspace before you proceed. Once the subscription is fully cancelled, return to your workspace settings, where the option to remove the workspace will be available, and you can complete the process when you're ready,